आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Triangle ABC is equilateral. ABC is an equilateral triangle, and angle AEF is a right angle. AEF, this is a right angle. Now D and F are the midpoints of AB and AC. D and F are the midpoints, so they divide this 4 meter long side into 2 meters and 2 meters, and same goes with this side, 2 and 2. Now AB and AC respectively, what is the value of W? We need to find out the value of W, that is the value of this, the length of this side AE. Now we know that in triangle ABC, if we see these triangles, triangle ABC and the triangle ADF. In triangle ABC, it is an equilateral triangle, so all the angles in an equilateral triangle are 60 degrees. So these will be 60 degree each, 3 of them. The triangle angle A, angle B and angle C. These 3 of them will be 60 degrees. Now if we look at the angle B and angle D, BC and DF are parallel lines, and this can be considered as an intersecting line. So if we look at angle ABC, it will be equal to angle ADF. Why? Because they are corresponding angles, right? These B and D are corresponding angles, and the same goes with angle ACB and angle AFD. These two are also corresponding angles. So by we know that the corresponding angles are equal, so angle ADF and angle AFD are also 60 degrees. Okay, so now if we look at triangle ADF, we know that the 3 of the angles of this triangle are 60 degree. So this triangle ADF is equilateral. Now ADF is equilateral, so like AD and AF, the side DF is also 2, because the sides of equilateral triangle are equal. So now another property of an equilateral triangle is that in an equilateral triangle, if a perpendicular is dropped from a point to the opposite side, it divides the opposite side into 2 equal parts. So if this side is 2 meters long, this will be the midpoint. So by this property, we know that E is the midpoint of DF. So if this is 2 meters long, EF is equals to DE equals to 1. Alright. Now if we know the value of EF, we know the value of AF, so we can find out the value of W by looking into triangle AEF. So now in triangle AEF, we can apply Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, the square of W plus the square of another adjacent side, that is EF, will be equal to the square of hypotenuse. This is the Pythagoras theorem, that the square of the other two sides, the sum of the square of other two sides will be equal to the square of the hypotenuse. So the square of the sides, the sum of the square of the sides is equal to the square of the hypotenuse. So W square plus EF we know is 1. So it will be 1. AF is 4. Sorry, AF is 2 units. So it is 2 square. W square equals to 4 minus 1 equals to 3. W equals to root 3. Right, so value of W is root 3, which is second option.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।